Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Sundays with Sully. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and thank anybody who stuck through the Fusion Apollo software update last week. I know that was a long one, but it is very important to make sure all of your electronic software is up to date, and that now includes our stereos. So this week we're going to be simple, we're going to be easy. We're going to be talking about ScanStruts ROKK battery charger. This thing is awesome. I know everybody, they go out in the boat, they want to bring their phone with them, which is great, but now you got to worry about cords, plugging it in, sliding around your dash, taking up dash space, and everything else. This eliminates all of that. Almost every new phone out there right now has inductive charging built in, and this takes full advantage of that. So we have inductive charging, but what takes this to that next level is how they're holding the phone in place for the inductive charging. You'll notice as I lift up on this top here, the bottom jaw opens up as well, so we get a nice convenient spring-loaded clamping on the phone. It's really easy. I just push my phone in from the bottom. There we go. My phone is now in. It's turned green, lets me know I'm charging here. It has a green LED indicator light on the side that says, hey, yes, I've been charging. And as soon as I take my phone away, which is good, one finger action there to take away, now it goes back to red. Very simple. It's 2 wires to mount it. We have the option for a flush mount like this. It also has the option of doing a ram style mount, so you can mount it on your dash and have a swivel, get a little better visibility for it. On these new dashes like this, we like to lay them out here. This particular build, we've gone with 2, so the captain and co-captain can both see what's going on. So that's it. ScanStruts ROKK inductive battery charger. They've got these 2 rugged options. They also have some below deck mounts, so if you want to put them near your beds or your nightstands, they can wire right in, set your phone on like you do at home, and charge everything up, and no more fumbling and dealing with USB cables. It's really awesome. I highly, highly recommend it to everybody out there. So that's all we got today for Sundays with Sully. And remember, if you guys want to stay up to date with the latest marine tech trends, give us a follow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. This week we have been chronicling the install of a complete electronics package on a Back Cove 41. So if you guys are kind of curious how that plays out and what gets done every day on these boats, go ahead and check us out over at Navtronics. And until next time, guys, you know me, I'm going to jam out, and I'll see you guys next week.